guys, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing for Skyler's channel, Skyler TV. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, let's open up your toy. This is, what is this?
A talking bird.
Yeah, talking bird is DIGI bird.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 750 pesos. Alright, so let's open it.
Yeah.
Okay, you open it.
Yeah.
Open it, go.
No, I don't know.
Oh, here, oh, there. 1, 2, 3. Here, you gotta push this one. Alright.
How do you do it?
You take this out. Wait, oh. Wait, I think. I don't know. I'll break it. There. Oh no. I don't know. There. I just cut it. Okay.
What's inside?
I don't know. You can't open it. Help Daddy out. Oh. Oh, there. Wait, okay, somewhere. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, what is that? Open that. Check that out.
Check it out. Look at that.
Okay, I think I got you. Oh! Oh no, it's moving! There. What's with your face? So there's your bird. Alright, so I think on the side of the box is what it does. It says pat to tweet. So you pat it. And then whistle to sing. In a whistle we can do. It's not doing it. And then talk to me. Talk. Say something. Talking. Talk to the bird. Say hi.
Hi.
And it says carry me something. Oh, this is a clip. So you can clip it. It says there you can clip it. I don't know how. Oh, there. So you can clip it on your shoulder or your bag. So at the bottom of it there are modes, if you can see. So basically it'll help you, like, so now if it's in the very bottom, I say hello, 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 hello.
Daddy, let me borrow.
So it's gonna start
Daddy, let me
singing.
borrow.
Alright, and then when you whistle in front of it, it's gonna kinda copy it, but it's gonna have another
Hello.
song for it. It says
Hello.
it has like 50 plus
Hello.
melodies. Oh, there!
Daddy.
You say hello. This is your bird, it's not mine. Alright, that's it guys. Just a quick unboxing.
Sky, are you happy with your new toy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Look up.
Do you have a name for it?
Yeah. Her name's Shy.
Shy? Why Shy?
Because it's first age girl.
Okay, show me the bird. Hi. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Subscribe.